Hello student, the next topic of our discussion is codominance. Co means join, together. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, दोनों अलील्स इन हेट्रोजाइगस कंडीशन जॉइंट डोमिनेंट एक्सप्रेशन देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोडोमिनेंस. को मीन्स जॉइन. दो लोग अगर साथ में काम करते हैं तो वी से को वर्कर. Here codominance means both the alleles jointly give dominant expression, that is a codominance. In codominance, both the alleles of a gene in a heterozygous condition express themselves equally in F1 hybrid. No allele is dominant over the other. क्लासिकल मेंडेलियन प्रिंसिपल्स में हमने देखा था एक डोमिनेंट अलील होता है, एक रेसिसिव अलील होता है. डोमिनेंट अलील एक्सप्रेशन देता है, बट इन दिस केस नो वन इज डोमिनेंट और नो वन इज रेसिसिव. बोथ दे एक्सप्रेस. इट मीन्स कोडोमिनेंस इज नो डोमिनेंस एट ऑल, सिंस बोथ द अलील्स आर एक्सप्रेसिंग इक्वली. In this case also, heterozygote F1 offsprings distinctly different from either of the homozygous parent. First we discuss this diagram here. Let us understand the complete dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance. These are the three types of dominance. This is one parent producing red color flower and the gene alleles are capital R, capital R. Another parent producing white color flower. The alleles are capital W, capital W. When we cross the red color flower parent with white color flower parent in heterozygous condition, we get this condition. This is heterozygous condition. The capital R and capital W. R for red and W for white. So now in what happened in complete dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance. If both the alleles are R, capital R, capital R, both the alleles are capital R. So in all these conditions, complete dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance, the color of the flower will be red. Red flower, red flower, red flower, because both the alleles are R. In this case, both the alleles are WW, means for white. Both are for white. So in a complete dominance, the color of the flower will be white. Incomplete dominance also, color will be white. Codominance, color will be white. But in this case, in heterozygous condition, one capital R and one capital W, these two different alleles are there. So what happened in complete dominance, that is the classical Mendelian inheritance. In this heterozygous condition, one allele is dominant and another allele is recessive. One allele is dominant and another is recessive. Dominant allele gives expression. Here the dominant allele is R. Dominant allele is R. That's why the red color flower is produced. That is the Mendelian classical inheritance, which we have studied in a monohybrid dihybrid ratio. But the things are different in incomplete dominance and codominance. In heterozygous condition, in incomplete dominance, this is a non-Mendelian inheritance. Here both the alleles in incomplete dominance, we are discussing incomplete dominance, both the alleles are incomplete dominant. So both the alleles mix with each other and both the alleles express partially. Both the allele expresses partially. This is important. So these both allele, they get mixed and blending of the color formation takes place, because both the alleles express partially. So we get blend of these both the color, पिंक और वाइट का ब्लेंड हमें मिलेगा, एंड दैट ब्लेंड विल बी ए पिंक कलर. सो पिंक कलर फ्लावर विल बी प्रोड्यूस. व्हाट हैपेंड इन कोडोमिनेंस? कोडोमिनेंस में क्या होता है? जब हेट्रोजाइगस कंडीशन में एक कैपिटल आर है और एक व्हाइट जीन है और एक रेड जीन है. सो हियर व्हाट हैपेंड? दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉन मेंडेलियन इनहेरिटेंस. सो हियर नो अलील इज डोमिनेंट एंड नो वन इज रेसेसिव. कोई डोमिनेंट नहीं, कोई रेसेसिव नहीं. बोथ आर इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग. दोनों जो है दोनों के दोनों स्ट्रॉन्ग है, दोनों डोमिनेंट है, ऐसा समझो, दोनों डोमिनेंट है. सो बोथ द जीन्स, दैट इज रेड एंड व्हाइट, expresses equally, and we get both expresses equally. This is important. Here the expression is partial, here is a complete but equal expression, and we get red and white color in the same flower. Both the color we get in the same flower. This is called codominance, joint dominance of both the genes. Red color gene and white color gene, they are both gives expression in codominance, that is both the color, red color and white color produces. Here in this case, incomplete dominance, both they get mixed and they express partially. So blending of color takes place and it becomes the pink color. And this is a classical Mendelian dominant gene expresses. Here codominance, we have to discuss the example 1. In this example 1 of codominance, we are going to discuss the coat color of the short horn breed of cattle, and it represents a classical example of codominance. This cattle color gives a classical example of codominance, and this breed is called short horn breed of cattle. Coat color means skin color. Here this one, red color cattle, red cattle. Here we are using symbols. Symbols used for codominant alleles are all uppercase letter. Uppercase for color, color C for color. This is all uppercase, means capital C, capital C. Here also capital C, capital C. But it has a superscript of name of that color. R for red, here W for white. So CR, CR, capital C superscript R, capital C superscript R, capital C superscript W, capital C superscript W. W denotes the color, name of that color. So this cattle is a red color cattle, have these two alleles, capital CR, capital CR. White color cattle, capital CW, capital CW. When this is crossed, when these two color cattle get crossed, the F1 hybrid in heterozygous condition, this roan color cattle is produced. Roan, ROAN, roan color cattle is produced, having the genotype capital C superscript R, capital C superscript W, CR, CW. So here both the genes, both the alleles, they give expression, codominance, jointly give expression, and that's why there is a mixture of these both red color as well as white color. Red color is also expressed, white color is also expressed. So this example 1, codominance of coat color in cattle. Symbolism used for codominant, just now I told you all uppercase letter with different superscripts are used. When the cattle of red coat, capital CR is crossed with a white coat cattle, CW, the F1 heterozygate is found to be roan coat cattle, CR and CW. Here the cross is shown, red cattle, this red cattle CR, white cattle CW. After cross, the all are roan color cattle. All the 4 will be this CR/CW. This is called roan cattle. And when we cross for F2 generation, then again we get 1 red, 2 roan and 1 white. This is one example of codominance. Another example of codominance, classical example, is this sickle cell anemia in human being. Sickle cell anemia, in a sickle cell anemia, the RBCs becomes abnormal. Normal RBC, you know that normal RBC is a circular, saucer shape, and they are capable of carrying oxygen in full strength. But when they get collapsed, sickle shaped, the oxygen carrying capacity is reduced. This is a sickle shaped RBC. So the inheritance pattern of human disease of sickle cell anemia shows genetic phenomenon of codominance at hemoglobin level. The gene pair concerned HbA, that is for normal hemoglobin A, HbA, and HbS, hemoglobin sickle. S stands for sickle, hemoglobin sickle gene. So when we cross 2 carriers, ये 2 हीमोग्लोबिन सिकल सेल्स के कैरियर हैं. कैरियर में एक अलील है नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन, एक है सिकल हीमोग्लोबिन जीन. नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन अलील, सिकल हीमोग्लोबिन अलील. When they get crossed in F1 generation, we get this hemoglobin A. That means a normal individual will be produced. This normal individual having the genotype HbA, normal RBC. This never sickled. The human being is normal. Contain hemoglobin A only, 100% oxygen carrying capacity, and healthy person. Now these 2 are carriers. 2 offsprings will be carrier. They possesses genotypically, they possesses hemoglobin A as well as hemoglobin S. Both the alleles are there. That's why they are carrier. So they looks like normal. But when under low oxygen, they RBCs get collapsed. They become sickle shaped. RBC get sickled under low oxygen concentration, and the capacity of the oxygen carrying capacity is reduced because hemoglobin contain Hem A and S also. I mean, both the alleles are there, and one individual will be this hemoglobin S. That means both the alleles of sickle hemoglobin, and this is lethal, and death takes place of that individual because of this genotype HbS. It is a fatal anemia. RBCs are sickle shaped and contains only S only, and all RBCs they get sickled. Oxygen carrying capacity is 100% reduced, and death takes place. This is another example of codominance. Then third example is also there of codominance, that is ABO blood group in human being. In human being there are 4 groups: A blood group, B, AB and O. If genotypically the both alleles are AA, then phenotypically blood group is A. If genotypically one allele is capital A and this O, then it is again A, because this is dominant. A and B is a completely dominant. Here I have written A and B both are complete dominant genes, and O is a complete recessive gene. Blood group AB contain both the antigens. Blood group AB, ये जो AB है blood group AB, because here and genotypically एक allele A का भी है, दूसरा B का भी है. So blood group AB have both the antigens. That's why blood group AB. यहाँ कोई एंटीजन है ही नहीं. That's why blood group O. यहाँ जीनोटाइप में A allele भी नहीं है, B भी नहीं है. That O recessive है both. So blood group O, no antigen. So blood group O. So here the cross is shown. I is used for the blood group, superscript A and superscript O. A stands for the gene A, that allele A, and O. Here B and again O, and cross takes place. You get the first individual having both the alleles A and B. This is the codominance. Codominance. Here A is not dominant over B or B is not dominant over A. Both gives the equal expression, and the blood group will be AB, because blood contains A antigen also and B antigen also. The blood group is AB. Here the A antigen is the A gene is there, so only A antigen. A antigen means blood group A. Here only B allele, B antigen. No A or no B, only recessive O. The blood group will be O. So this is about the codominance. Thank you.